Hey guys, it's Steffi here and welcome back to my channel. This is an easy Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoy this one. So stay tuned to check out how to get this amazing look. And now let's get into all of it. So as you can see, I've got a new setup. Hopefully now you guys can actually see what kind of a look I'm going for and you can actually see the colors now. So let's jump into it. First things first, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base Primer. I'm just gonna go a pea-size amount, like so, and just pop this all over my face. Now that's done, I'm gonna grab a beauty blender and the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying 24-hour foundation. This is in the shade 24 Golden Beige, and I'm going to put this all over my face. This is a nice foundation that gives you great coverage and it is quite mattifying. I'm just gonna plop it all over my face like so and pound it in. There are many styles of Valentine's Day looks and I really hope that you guys get some inspiration to do your own style or even duplicate the same as this one. This light is so great to be able to see what I'm doing now. I'm just making sure that I blend the foundation all the way out. So I'm going to use now the OXX Highlight and Blush Kit. This one here is such a great palette to use, it's so versatile. I'm grabbing my Sephora fan brush and I'm just going to use some nice blush colors. So I'm gonna go with this pink for the top and then this one underneath it to use it as a contour. So I'm using that light pink right now and going in the top section here, just giving that beautiful, nice light pink. And to bulk the color on, I'm using the Sephora small contour brush and going in with that darker pink that I said before. So that nice dark one right there. Dabbing it a couple of times and just going in underneath that where I would normally contour. Just doing the same on the other side and just buffering it out a little. Going back in with the Sephora fan brush and I'm going to use this beautiful pearly purple color. I'm not sure if you can see that very well there, but I'm just going to go and put that on top of that light pink right on the cheekbone to give me that nice shine. So when the sun hits it, it's just like bam, that beautiful glow. I'm also going to use a little bit on my nose, just on the center part here and right on the tip. And I'm also going to grab the same color, so that light purple, and just go above my lip like so. So we're already done all that and we don't have to go in back with that again. Using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, I'm going in with Tasty, this brown here, and doing my eyebrows. So I'm using a Sephora angled liner brush. I'm just gonna dab into that brown and give myself some nice eyebrows. I'm just bulking up all the color near the end and then the remaining that's on the brush, I'm just dragging out to the front and giving me the really nice finished, polished look of the eyebrow. Voila. Going to do exactly the same thing on the other side, following the same processes. So to tidy this one up, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Light L34. I'm going to open this one up now and use this one under the eyebrow bone, a little bit away from that, as well as on my eyelid. I'm just chunking it on like so. I'm just grabbing just another angled liner. This is a No Name brand, and I'm just going to blend this all out and give myself a really defined eyebrow. So I'm going right into a line there, making sure that I'm sturdy with it, and then I'm dragging it all the way down to my eyelid and covering all of that as well to give myself a great base for my eyeshadow. And that is one side done. I'm going to do the same with the other side. This is great also to hide any of those under eye hairs that are just starting to come through, if you have any. Can you believe that Valentine's Day is just around the corner? I can't believe how fast 2020 has gone. I cannot believe that it's February already. Like, that just blows my mind. I love these type of looks because not only can you use them for Valentine's Day, but you can do them for like your date nights or any type of romantic styles or just even your everyday look. Alrighty, so now that we've blended all the concealer, we're going to go on with some color. So I'm going to go and grab that Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette again, this one right here. I'm grabbing the Sephora smudge brush, which is this guy right here. I'm going to start off with this beautiful pastel pink Good Morning and go and just put that all over my eyelid to start off with, and even go into the crease line a little bit. I've just grabbed some of that color and I'm just putting that all over my eyelid right now. It's such a beautiful color. It's like this beautiful baby pink or like this soft pastel pink color, and I just absolutely love it. It's such a great color that he's put in here. So as you can see, I've gone and put that all there, and then I've just brought it up to the crease line a little bit. So you can see just that nice touch of pink. I'm gonna go and do this one on the other side as well. This palette that I brought, the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, has been the best palette that I've brought so far. I absolutely love it. I love that there's so much that you can do with this palette. You can do so many looks, whether it's just subtle or just like crazy out there looks. This has definitely been one of the greatest investments that I've made. Okay, so now that we've laid this beautiful baby pink, we're gonna go and use the color Snack. This is like a beautiful peachy color. It's kind of got that little pinkish tone, and I think it will just complement this quite nicely. So I'm using the same brush again, grabbing that beautiful color Snack. We're just gonna dab it into this region right here. It's got that nice shimmer. I just think it will just complement everything that's going on quite nicely. It really gives a bit of highlight as well with that sparkle, and I'm absolutely in love with this color. So Bubblegum, which is this beautiful bright pink here, is calling my name. I think I should do this all over my actual lid. That will really pop. Using the same brush again, I'm just gonna go into that, go from where Snack was and just spread that out just on the eyelid only at this stage. Wow, those colors are coming together quite nicely. So obviously, as you can tell, I have got a good setup now. I've decided to grab a lighting system and something that I can actually hold my camera up a bit higher so you guys can actually see properly, because I was finding that when I was looking back at the videos, you guys couldn't even see the colors that I was putting on my eyelids. So hopefully now you'll be able to see things just a little bit better. I'm gonna grab some of this color here. This one's called Cotton Candy. It's also got a nice shimmer to it. And I'm gonna go into the crease line of where I've put that beautiful bubblegum color with the same brush and just give that nice pop that I'm after. I absolutely love those like shimmery colors. They're just so much fun to work with. I'm literally just lining like the crease line. So as you can see here, this one's now done and this one hasn't been yet. So cute, these colors together. It's like Barbie realness. Using my Sephora blending shadow brush, I'm going to just blend right where that crease line is, just to smoothen it out a little bit for the next stage. Now that it's all blended, I'm going in with the angled liner brush again from Sephora, a Cotton Candy color again. I'm gonna put this where the liner would normally go, on the bottoms of my eyes. Starting from the outside, working my way in. And I'm gonna use again the Snack, so the beautiful peach color underneath that color, just to give it a bit of happiness that I'm after. I think that those two colors complement each other quite nicely. It kind of gives it a bit of like a highlight as well, so I think this works quite nicely. Using that precision shadow brush again, I'm going to use that color Snap, popping this one just above that color that I used before, which was Cotton Candy, to give it the nice shimmery look. I don't know about you guys, but I'm obsessed with this color. Like, it is stunning. And I'm just gonna go all the way to the brow bone because I'm like, why not? Wow, look at that. It's just like, bam, in your face. I love you, that's what it is, like, just stunning. I'm gonna use the Australis Stamp It eyeliner off the lid of this one, like so, and using this big bulky pen, I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm gonna do a kind of a thin line because I don't want it to overpower everything that I've got going on at the moment. That's one side done. I'm gonna go and do the same with the other side. And voila, we are lined. Using the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara, I'm going to put this on my eyes on the top half and then go in and do the bottom lashes as well. One side done, going to do the other side. Using the Rimmel Stay Matte liquid color in the shade Be My Baby, I'm going to put this all over my lips now. I have chosen something that isn't completely what I define as nude. I've chosen one that's got a bit of a pinkish tinge to it, because I felt like this complemented the color more rather than using a really dark brownish kind of nude or a really light brown. Using the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray in the matte finish. And I'm gonna pop that lid off like so and just spray this all over my face to just give me that nice matte finished look for the rest of the day. Let that one dry off and that is done. So there you guys have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Check out the comments below for everything to do with this tutorial, like what brushes I've used, what products I've used, and I hope to see you guys next time. I love you all. Bye.